how do I know if I should replace or repair? Repair or replace? That's an individual conversation, right? Listen to the question. The question is, you're asking a professional. You're asking somebody who's not you, what should I do? Right? And this is where the moral character of the company comes into play. With us, we're going to educate you, share with you our findings, share with you what our solutions are. But most important, it is a reasoning for, right? So that question is concerning because a company who doesn't understand how important our, we're essential, can take advantage of a customer or consumer when we need it the most, when it's 115 degrees outside. If I had to answer the question, I would say this: if your needs are greater than, right, and you've been in the house and it's the right thing for you, right, to replace their benefits to repair those benefits as well. But that is an individual. I don't want to tell you when is the right time to, and here's why. Because I live in my house, you live in yours. Our job is to make sure we educate you, make sure we share our findings, and make sure we earn your trust. Because if we've done that, right, there will come a point where you will choose us to be your pioneer. That's what we want to do in our company.